Introducing the Safeguard 62350, a professional-grade 35-ton two-stage air and hydraulic truck axle jack, engineered for maximum lifting performance, durability, and safety in heavy-duty operations. This powerful jack handles up to 35 tons, with a minimum height of 8¼ inches. The maximum lifting height depends on load: 12 3/8 inches for 35-ton limit and 18 inches for 22-ton limit. It comes equipped with a 3 1/8 inch extension screw to extend reach when needed. Built with a welded chrome-plated ram to resist rust and wear, the 62350 is designed for long-term reliability under demanding workloads. The heavy-duty T-shaped handle offers 3 locking positions: 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 0 degree, for precise control and easy operation in tight spaces. Steel wheel hubs with metal bearings provide stability and smooth maneuvering. The 1/4 inch Quick Connect makes setup easy, enabling convenient mobility and remote operation when needed. All Safeguard jacks and accessories are updated regularly to meet only the most current ASME and P8SE safety standards. Heavy-duty tough, heavy-duty built, made for generations.